bitch. Postmenopausal, uptight fucking bitch from Fresno. Married to a fucking doctor.
You need a 55-gallon drum of lube to get that shit wet.
Dude, she's fucking married to this fucking doctor that got his license yanked. So now he's just now he's just dude, not a doctor anymore.
Something's biting me, dude.
And that fucking cunt bitch Aunt Susan is stuck with that motherfucker. But he's got two hot blonde daughters, huh?
Something's biting me. Something was just biting me in my shoulder.
Oh, I feel that all the time. That's just...
No. Like, I feel like if something was crawling and then bit me.
Smash him. Where's he at?
I don't know.
Is he still there?
I don't know.
When's the last time you slept?
Bro, I just fucking woke up from... I slept all
Do
day.
any fentanyl there?
Dude, no. But
Is there actual... I'm not gonna touch you 'cause that'd be all gay and shit, but... You alright, man? When we pray? You didn't fucking eating. It's just the performance enhancement compounds, bro. Probably. Watch a fucking just a big old scorpion, desert scorpion fall out of your sleeve. Just a big fucker. He carries this piece of steel off. He's all, fuck you. Oh, fucking scorpion, dude. I sold 20 million albums in the 80s.
This bitch right here.
What?
Faggot.
What happened? Oh, punk bitch. Where who? Fucking red ants. Oh, he fucking tried to eat. That's a red. Oh, dude. Those motherfuckers are mean. You heard him? Eat him. I don't know. I've eaten it. I haven't eaten a red ant yet.
Tastes like cabbage.
This is beautiful, man. It's beautiful work. You should get paid at least, I don't know. It's fucking badass welding. No, it's fucking good. It's thin metal that can't, it's hard to fucking weld.
Well, it's sticking.
I think it's excellent fucking shit.
The other side has some.
This would go great on the nipples right here. And then touch the electrode to the other nipple. It is, huh?